Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. All those really do help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a rechargeable battery, basically a startup setup for you, and it is by a company called POWEROWL. So once you order it, this is the box it comes in. It's naturally going to come with a little user manual. You're also going to get a USB to USB-A here that's going to plug in the charger itself. It does not include an adapter. You're going to either just have to have one of those laying around or use a USB outlet. And then you're going to get the charger itself. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. And this is designed to charge up to 8 batteries at the same time. You can charge just one battery. You can charge 5. You can charge whatever number of batteries you want, which is a nice feature of this. You don't have to have multiple batteries to get it to work. You just need one. There is an LED light on each side that will be red when it's charging, and it will turn green when the battery is charged. And as you can see, what I have in here is I have 3 AA's and 3 AAA's, which basically is showing you that this charger can do both. So you can have 8 AAA's, or you can have 8 AA's, or any combination in between. Now, it does come with 4 AA batteries and 4 AAA batteries, which is why I call it kind of a startup set for you. And the batteries seem pretty solid. So one of the things I've noticed, sometimes you get batteries and they feel a little light and everything, but these feel nice and solid, which is great. As far as utilizing them, they seem to last a nice long time for my son's toys and electronics. I've also used a couple of these out in some solar-powered lighting in the yard, and they are lasting great with that as well. So, to give you an idea, the AA battery here is a 2,800 mAh battery, and the AAA is a 1,000 mAh battery. Says these things can be charge cycled 1,200 times, so they can be recharged a lot, essentially. When you get them, they're going to be somewhat pre-charged. You'll use it up, and after a couple cycles is when they're going to really get to their longer battery life. I did notice the first few times seemed to have a shorter battery life, but after I fully charged them a couple times, the battery life lasted a bit longer. So if you're noticing that, that's just something I personally also noticed. But overall charging time, that's kind of going to depend on how empty they are when you're charging them up, but anticipate anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour to charge up. At least that's what I am seeing. But overall, they're great little batteries. So whether you're looking for some rechargeable batteries themselves, or you're looking for a whole setup like I have, totally recommend checking out this set by POWEROWL. If there is something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.